Hi, my name's Dale. I'm here representing BSN today on behalf of our good friends Sporties Health. I'd like to talk to you today about Amino X. This particular product's sort of been developed by BSN as a branch chain amino acid recovery support product. A few different spins on this as well. So your branch chains are absolutely vital for muscle recovery and protein synthesis. There's one in particular that's an absolute key in this link, and that's leucine. There's 3 branch chain amino acids: isoleucine, leucine and valine. As I just said, leucine is the key. Leucine's the key for a number of different reasons. Basically, the way when we're training, our bodies deplete our branch chains quite heavily through training. So they can be depleted by half whilst we're training. Okay, so 1/3 of our total skeletal muscle amino energy pool is from branch chain amino acids. These are metabolized in the mitochondria of the muscle cell. So they're used as an energy source whilst training, which is different to our other essential amino acids. So basically, when we're training, they're in short supply. They're being used, they're being spent. So what we're trying to do is put these back in. Now, leucine is the key for activating an anabolic pathway. Basically what this is, the pathway is basically an anabolic pathway called mTOR. Now, all you need to know there is if you've got decreased leucine, you've got deactivation of mTOR, which is protein synthesis or muscle gain. So the more leucine we've got, the more mTOR there is, and there's more protein synthesis or muscle building that can actually transpire. So it's absolutely necessary that we get the branch chains in there. They're also responsible for getting rid of that soreness that we get after weight training sessions. So not just people that are weight training, this is ideal for those people that are endurance exercise. So people are outside running, doing CrossFit, doing functional fitness sorts of forms of exercise. Brilliant for swimmers as well. This product is absolutely fantastic in the respect that there's no sugar involved in this. So basically no sugar, and there's also no caffeine. There's no stimulant in there. And this is different to a lot of the other ones that are on the market. There's probably a very good valid reason for this. A lot of the pre-workouts that we take in conjunction with the rest of our supplementation contain high amounts of caffeine. So this one's been designed to have no stimulant, no caffeine, so you're not going to overtax your adrenal system. Basically, you can have this any time of day or night. I like to train it in the evenings after work, and that's coming around that 7 o'clock. If I was to take something with caffeine in there, there's a fair chance I'm not going to sleep properly as well. So it's ideal for those people sort of training different shift workers, things like that. Also ideal to have in your water bottle, sipping on that throughout the day if you're performing lots and lots of exercise, like triathletes, for example. Basically, it's also been supported by some conditionally essential amino acids in there as well. Taurine, one of my absolute favourite amino acids. Taurine's responsible for hundreds of different functions in the body. Cell hydration, it's for a major link in protein synthesis. It's involved in so many different functions. It's absolutely necessary. We should be looking for supplements that have got taurine in there as a nutrient support delivery. It also helps with hormone support in there as well. Another amino acid that's been added in this one is citrulline. Citrulline, as you may already know, is a nitric oxide producer. Basically, citrulline helps increase blood flow. Citrulline will convert into arginine in the body. You'll actually absorb more arginine taking citrulline than you do if you were taking arginine on its own right. So that's going to help give you that pump whilst you're training. So it's in there as a support while you're training to increase blood flow, to get these nutrients, particularly the branch chains, into those muscles that you're trying to work out faster. Increases protein synthesis, enhances recovery. So this is basically a very well-rounded product for many, many different users, males, females. Obviously, as I said, for people that may be not looking for any stims as well. Okay, so all this available at sportieshealth.com.au.